This is Asad Shah over here, and today I'll be discussing about 7 steps, 7 basic steps to help you come up with a business idea. So the first step is list down your skills. You could be a great accountant. You could be good with selling stuff. So, you could have any other. You could be good with coding. So, whatever you're good at, you list down your skills, and then after that, you list down or write down your passion and what motivates you. Basically, a business is a full-time job and it's 24/7. So if you're not doing something that motivates you or you're passionate about or a skill that you have, you'll be wasting your time and money. Now, after these two steps, what comes next is you're going to research the marketplace for unresolved problems. Here we have to consider one important factor, that when we research the marketplace for problems, we have to make sure that there are problems or these are problems that the customer is also aware of and looking for a solution. So after we have researched the marketplace, here also one important thing to list down is that the problem, that the unresolved problem should be should be aligned with your passion and skill. So the three things that up till now we have discussed is, first we have to list down our skills. We list down our skills basically, excuse me, we list down our skills. What our skills do we have? Then we write down what our passions are and what motivates us, what does motivate us. And after that we research the marketplace for unresolved problem that align with our passions and our skills. Now moving on, we make notes of problems that we encounter at work or any other place. So how do we list down the problem that the marketplace has? What we keep a diary or a note taking app to write down problems that people encounter. That could be your workplace, that could be the market, that could be any place. So whatever problem you see that people are facing, you write it down and research, start proper research on it. Now moving forward, after we have done all of these 4 steps, what we are going to do is, so after we have find out what the problem is, what our skills are, what our passions are, now we are going to see if we have the proper resources to give a perfect solution to this problem, and how much expenses are required to start such business. And another important thing is this business scalable. So after we have list down the skills, we have researched the market, we have write down different problems that are unresolved and people are looking for the solution, we have find out the idea. Now the next step is finding out, do we have the proper resources, the expenses to start such a business, and other thing that is important is the business scalable. You don't want to start a business that gets saturated after 1 year or 2 year or 3 year. In this way you won't be able to make the profit you desire. Now after that, you write down all of this, you make a proper business plan. I've already a video on this that can be shared. Now after that, what you do is you review your business plan with people you trust. Review your business plan or your idea with different people that you trust, so they can give you a proper feedback. So after, the key takeaways from this lesson is that a good business idea basically is something that blends your skills and passions with the unresolved problem in the marketplace. To come up with an idea, basically you list down all your skills and your passions and the problem that the marketplace has. After that, you have found out the business idea. What you do is you see if it is this business scalable, and how much expenses will be required to start such business. And after that, you review your business plan with people you trust. So I hope this video has been helpful, and thank you.